Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use action pane in Excel. So let's start this my Excel. Simply go to the draw tab and here drawing tools group have a last pane is action pane. Use the action pane to enter data by handwriting. Simply click on it. I just click on here and you can see the Excel is zoom in. Now you can just write here. So I just write here 2 and see here. Okay. Then I write here 4. Then 3, then I enter here the A. So you just write an all data set in the Excel cell. Okay. To zoom out, you can just here in bottom side have option. Just click on here and you can see it zoom out. Okay. So this is a way you can use the action pane in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.